Hubby got tools. Daddy got tools. Hey mom, what's up? Welcome back to The Mom Company, a place where we discuss everything mom likes. I'm Danielle, and today we are doing the second part of my office decoration or refresh. If you watched the first part, I was installing wallpaper with my friend. Girl, hilarious. Talk about a hot mess. Go watch the video, and if you haven't, you need to subscribe so you can stay on this journey with me, because if you only knew the things that go on in this head of mine. But anyway, if you're new here, welcome. Hey mom, thanks for coming to visit my corner of the internet. If you like fashion, if you like beauty, if you like self-care, if you like mom stuff, just go ahead and subscribe so that you never miss an upload from me. And if you are a long-time subscriber, hey girl, hey, welcome back. I am on Instagram at _The Mom Company. I will link everything down below. I'm also on Facebook at The Mom Company. It's pretty easy to find me, and there I upload other content, more content. Instagram sees it first, to be honest. So it would behoove you to go ahead and follow me, okay? We're just going to jump right into the video. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. So far, this is what we have. Last you saw, the desk was on this wall over here, so I moved it. I don't prefer my back to the door, but this is what gives me the most space inside of the closet with my desk chair and everything. So I decided to just suck it up and put my desk on the back wall, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to put up some shelving, some storage, something or another. And this chair is gonna go bye-bye. This is very, very, very old. And I'm going to replace it with a rolling chair and get like one of those acrylic like mats so I don't ruin the carpet. I'm thinking about painting my desk black. It's a thought. I don't know yet. I'm not sure, but for now it's going to stay like this. And one thing about this closet, there's no outlets, okay? So I have nothing to plug into, so I had to go out and buy an extension cord, which runs right here all the way behind there, which is where my clothing rack is. That's the closest extension, the closest outlet. I have also one on the other side of this door. So I have two outlets that I could have access to, so that's fine. That's why we have extension cords. But I just wanted to show you guys where we're at so far. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my desk for helping me. Thank you, Brooke, for helping us with the wallpaper. I definitely would not have been able to do it by myself. So it would have been a hot mess, but this is what we have, and it's absolutely beautiful. husband is about to hang my picture. This is her. And she is from Home Goods. Got her probably at least maybe a month ago now, or 3 weeks ago. I got it. So you know when you buy something from Home Goods that if you don't get it then you might never see it again. So I'm going to take off the plastic so that he can hang it for me. Need higher.
No.
How come you didn't just put a nail here and a nail there and use these?
Because it ain't that easy to just put a nail here and a nail there. And then it's 2 holes rather than just 1 hole, and I can just, just put the motherfucker up there. It ain't no balancing and all that. And when it comes to balancing with 1 screw on a wire, it's just this and this and this and this and this until you get it right, versus having to measure it, get her down. Use this thing here
I'm like, why did they even
to take the nails out?
Hubby got tools. Daddy got tools.
Just wanna Just wanna be your girl. No, if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
Picture is up. Girl, look at it. Like I said, I got it from Home Goods. It was 40 bucks. And you may or may not find it in your local Home Goods, but that is where it's from. I did see a smaller version at TJ Maxx. So, you know, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls. I would check all 3 of those if you're interested in finding this painting or this piece of artwork. I don't know if it's a painting, but it is so gorgeous. It has like a foil background. Look at her shoulders. Oh, she's beautiful. And my shelving is up. The glass is on. So I'm just going to give this a wipe down and I'm going to start styling my shelves. Girl, the camera's crooked, but we're just going to have to roll with it because I'm exhausted. I've been working all day. I got up and did a photo shoot for the vault. And when my packages started coming in, like my thank you cards, my business cards, this shelving, all that came today at one time. So I just, got right to it. I think I've been off YouTube for about 2 weeks now. So I'm trying to make a comeback. But anyways, yes, what was I saying? Oh, I think I'm gonna style these shelves. I found baskets on H&M Home. I'm gonna place that order today, and maybe we could do like a little shop with me. I don't know if you guys are interested in that kind of thing. I don't know, but I found 2 baskets for the bottom shelves, and then I'm going to style these 2 shelves. And there's actually a shelf at the tippy top, so I think I'm gonna get a booty vase. I've been wanting to get one so bad, or like the ones with the breast. I love that one too. So I really want it for my coffee table, but I haven't gotten a coffee table, so I'm gonna get it for this. And they're just gonna be booty in the office. Like, it's just gonna be booty in the office. So we're gonna do that. And of course I need to order a new chair, so I need to solidify that. So a chair, the styling for the shelves, and that's it. I'm doing this at the same time as my fall drop for the vault, so it's very, very busy. I've been busy. I look crazy. I have no lashes on. My anniversary is Saturday, my wedding anniversary, and I'm just falling apart. I'm missing a nail. Like, I need a pedicure. I've been very, 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 very busy, and I need to like slow down and make sure I do some maintenance, self-care, maintenance, all of that. And yeah, so I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video, but I don't have any more things to do in the office today because I have to order more things. And I'm going to work on the wall that you see when you first walk in over the desk. And yeah. If this is the end of the video, I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. And I love you guys. And see you next time. Bye-bye.